Why the hell did you become a demon?
You'd never understand.
You were supposed to succeed, Thunder Breathing, but you tarnished it!
Love me.
After you became a demon, he committed seppuku! Even worse, he did it by himself. He was all alone! He bled out and died a painful death. It's your fault. Gramps died the most agonizing death possible! All because the Thunder-Breathing Reichs produced a demon!
Love me.
Gramps, I'm sorry we're fighting, but he and I must walk separate paths.
Love me.
I'm sorry, brother.